Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to access Facebook Creator Studio. All you have to do is that go to google.com. Uh, so please, you can support me by subscribing to the channel if you are new. Okay, right here, all you have to do is you can say it Facebook Creator. So this is one way of doing that, or you can simply enter the URL direct from the URL area right here. So but already we have this one, so you can click Create a Studio, so which is this one. So this is how you can access the Facebook Creator. These things or this studio work for those who have page. If you have a Facebook page, so you can be able to access that studio and you can manage all your information using Facebook Creator Studio. So this is the Facebook Creator Studio. It is coming. Well, within Facebook Creator Studio, or this is the URL, business.facebook, and then front slide Creator Studio, and then home. So there are all these functions that you can see right here. We have home, notification, insights, pre-publish, publish, file management tools, content library, inbox, monetization. This monetization is when you fulfill all the requirements, or if you want to check whether you already got all the requirement or not. Let's say, let me click monetization. In monetization, this is where you can be able to see there's in-stream ads. Anyway, this in-stream ad you will not see it if you are new on Facebook, especially if your Facebook page every year get all the requirement like 10,000 followers and 600,000 watch. 600 watch hour. So within this thing, let's say for me, I have restricted monetization on my page due to the ineligibility of the country where I live. So, but for you, I think let me share another page so that I can show you what I mean. Okay, let me go to another page which is not part of this. Okay, which is new, which Facebook, which is new. Okay, let me go direct to this. Alright, let me take one of my son, this page right here called Yerniak, my son Facebook page. So we're gonna see all the thing. Okay.